All right, so here is a genetics quiz for you. All right, we're starting out with, it says, is the following set of alleles heterozygous, HE, or homozygous, HO? So these are the alleles that you're looking at, the two lowercase d's. And then you're going to make a selection. Is it heterozygous or homozygous right here? Is the following set of alleles heterozygous or homozygous? Same question. Now you're looking at this, capital T, lower t. If you remember, the clue here is homozygous means same, right? Heterozygous, different. So keep that in mind, H-E-H-O. Is the following set of alleles heterozygous or homozygous? H-E-H-O. Here you're looking at a capital F and another capital F. Is it H-E or H-O? In Squidward's family, a blue body color is indicated by a capital B, is dominant, which means that it overrides, it's bigger, better, or it's going to be more pronounced to green, the lower B. So blue is capital B, green is lower B. So you're going to determine the phenotype for each genotype below based on this information. So let's take a look here. We have capital B, capital B. What would be the result? Blue, green. You gotta remember, capital B indicates blue. In Squidward's family, a blue body color, capital B again, is dominant or will overtake to green, lower B. Determine the phenotype for each genotype below based on this information. So we have a capital B and a lower B. So one's blue, one's green. So what would be the phenotype? Is it going to end up being blue or green? In Squidward's family, a blue body color, again a capital B, is dominant to green, lowercase b. Determine the phenotype for each genotype below based on this information. Here you have two little b's, remember that's green. So is it blue or green? If tall eyeballs, capital T, are dominant to short eyeballs, that's lowercase t, give the genotypes that are possible for members of Mr. Krabs' family. Tall eyeballs. I don't know why that's on there. I gotta take that off. Oops. Uh-oh, how did I end up? I don't want that. Okay, hold on. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right, so which should be the answer here? Give the genotypes that are possible for members of Mr. Krabs' family. SpongeBob is known for his big round eyes, capital R, which is dominant over oval-shaped eyes, which is a lowercase r. If he is heterozygous for his round eye shape and has a child with one with oval eye shape, what type of eyes might these kids have? So here you're supposed to complete a Punnett square on scratch paper. So draw the little square, put the lines in it. So you have 4 little boxes. And you have the big round eyes R and the oval eye shape lowercase r. So do we have, you'll have to figure out, is it going to be, what type of eyes might the kids have? It's going to be just RR, big two capitals, or an R and a small r, or two small r's. What are the chances of a child with a round eye shape? 25%, 50%, 75%. What are the chances of a child with an oval eye shape? 25%, 50%, 75%. Remember, you're going back and looking at your Punnett square, and this should be able to help you to figure out. Patrick recently married Patty, a cute girl he met at a local dance. He is considered a purebred for his tall head shape, which is dominant. So we have capital T over a short head, small t. If Patty is a short-headed woman, what are the possible genotypes of their children? So again, create another Punnett square and see if you can figure out which one is the correct answer. What percentage of the children would be tall-headed? 50%, 75%, or 100%? What percentage of the children would be short-headed? 50%, 75%, or 0%? Dragons have large wings which are dominant to small wings. So you have capital L and a little l. If a dragon that is heterozygous for his large wings had babies with one who has small wings, what percentage of babies will have small wings? Again, complete a Punnett square on a scratch paper to help you with these. So you have 25%, 50%, or 75%. Turtles can have either long tails or short tails. So capital L, little l. Long tail alleles are dominant to short tails. If a turtle's mother is short-tailed and its father is a hybrid long tail, hybrid, that's an important part right here. What are the chances of their baby turtle being short-tailed? So 25% chance of short tails, 100% chance of short tails, 50% chance of short tails. And then finally, Mrs. Matthews would like to know, what did you do to review for this quiz? There was a Kahoot, I think, for you guys to work on. So hopefully some of you took advantage of that and studied and were able to remember how to do the Punnett squares and know some of the key vocabulary in here. Okay. All right. Good luck. And make sure you're thinking hard about this, okay?